Hello, and welcome to Catharsis. Catharsis is a platform for us to actually begin to explore the deeper recesses of both our minds and our hearts. And by being able to pick things up in expressing through words, by writing a poem or reciting poetry even, that's crafted genuinely from what we have inside, we aim to actually help ourselves to begin to review that little bit more about who we are and understand ourselves in a deeper fashion. We welcome you to join us for our Catharsis workshop, and we also welcome you with open arms to submit your contributions in the Catharsis Open Call 2021. Thank you.